In class, we've been working on division. This is the acronym that we use to help us remember. Drive my super cool bug, Randy. The D in drive stands for divide. The M in my stands for multiply. The S in super stands for subtract. The C stands for compare. The B stands for bring down. And the R stands for repeat these steps. Over here I've written out a problem that shows all of the steps. 6,894 divided by 32. I checked to see if 32 can go into 6. It can't, so I see if it can go into 68. As you can see above the 6 I wrote an X because 32 can't go into 6. It can go into 68, and off to the left you see that I did 32 times 2, and that gives me 64. And I know that 30 and 30 is 60, so I knew that 2 times would be pretty close. 68 minus 64, that's my subtract step. It gave me 4. I compare. 32 can't go into 4, so I bring down the 9. So that gives me 49. Then I repeat my steps. Can 32 go into 49? Yes, it can. It can go in one time. And then I multiply. 32 times 1, which I wrote up at the top. Then I subtract. 49 minus 32, and that gives me 17. I compare. Can 32 go into 17? It can't, so I brought down my 4. That gives me 174. Again, I can count by 30. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. I knew that would be pretty close, so I did times 5 over to the right. 32 times 5. That gave me 160. So I took my 5 and I wrote it on the top, and then I multiplied. 32 times 5, and it gave me 160, and then I subtracted. 174 minus 160 gave me 14. 32 can't go into 14, and I have nothing else that I can bring down. So that means that that number is my remainder. When you have no numbers left to bring down, it becomes a remainder. So our answer is 215, remainder 14. The number on top, our answer, is called the quotient. The number outside is called the divisor, and the number inside is called the dividend, the number that you divide into. I hope this helps. Thanks.